asem we meka na mekoso aka me se asem ba enye sabi obia na ema the platform se on kasa no nkire na adwene bo no adwene de dwene sei no ebi ni trip na akwa akokire adwene sei ebi no obi trip na akwa akokire efa atrenchment to Ghana just say ema 6 FM ehwere omu nkwa during the Ghana Armed Forces recruitment exercise no Tv3 pundit bi abekasa na wo kire mu se yemfa sobo no emu Akufo Addo Akufo Addo and cause the death of these 6 people. Now, Kasa na TikTokers for a reply. Instant justice. Omodi nasem amana. Me want to go to the word amame. Ewo comment section. How you Penyah block media. Me so say need you. Obe like video. No other my subscribe button. Number click notification for latest updates. Number to the word amame. Ewo comment section. Me also baso no share for so be ashe. Eti kaya 2 days ago. Ana trencham kese eni oye ni kese ebo Ghana hanomo. Then I said Ghana Armed Force for only a recruitment exercise. I not only a screening in a can hobby. Now, when himself a promo be a mono, a nipa a top forms, 60,000 area chili, a nipa 60,000 according to their reports and their data. A nipa 60,000 and the top forms. But not almost na only Tinia from just 4,000 pay. I'ma do a crack watching will be other medias, but I don't know what's American. I don't think I can see them. Only himself Putika MP, a Casaman, Nanuko Pie, or can't see me for home media national. Amount for the Juma and Ukrainian can was a new I was your Anra. When I meet another go conversation based on as an TV3 pundit. TV3 na omu and quadruped be our honor. Efa at Ranchama SC, a Mars 6 now almost animal said, why I say, Presla, and I told them when I can't who be no. Now, omu a deal come ever TV3. Now, I honor, and now one of the pundits on the show. A radio concern at which you say, so bono, yen selling in Anfanko Swa Akufo Addo. At the ya. Free SHS Akufo Addo edeba edo. Ebo kwa ma nipa bebrebe enya school moko etina no. Nipa bebrebe ana ewie SS a omotifi a obia pese o oniti ewura baabi eno na kofa we nyina eba e.
Don't need sending people to school. Then at the end of the day, they'll finish school and be home unemployed. So I personally think that the excess number of students that we churn out from the senior high schools as a result of the free SHS is a contributory factor to what we witnessed yesterday. Again, what also happened yesterday clearly shows that policy decisions, economic policy decisions, must be made based on data. Just as you rightly said, government alone cannot create jobs to employ everybody that.
Me say, nyansa say, oh, nyansa say, nyansa say, be a be nyansa say, be nibi, nyansa say. Oh, there be Ghana have politics. I'm a nipa ni biada ne sebi and kwasiafo as a juni say, I nipa de juni o minibi. How can you talk like this? How? Now, can say we ya other media so or abe reply now.
You know how we do it. This is a quick rebuttal headquarters. And gentleman we are work as some of the neighbor TV3. Na sema work and say no answer no see our work sports stadium made the souls of the 6 departed young women, ladies who died. Rest in peace. And for the people that are also recovering from the injuries, we wish them very well and we hope that they will be restored to normalcy. Ghana failed them. The armed forces failed them. We could have done better, and we should not put the lives of these young people in that jeopardy. It's very sad. Elsewhere, I'm told to say, ye chiche forms, and not to say the chiche track, you got first brochure, gospel brochure. Said the Jehovah Witness for brochure, you know. But how you have to go, I'm told the prices are 250, 350. And even with that, look at what they go through. It's very sad. We need to improve. The armed forces, they didn't get it right. Recently, the armed forces, the whole reputation around them, some of their efficiency and productivity, you know, it is actually waning, and they need to work on that. Some of the few events of recent times is actually taking that positive frame and say, if you want efficiency and whatever, turn to the armed forces and M1. But we'll talk about that matter in a later day. Gentlemen, we ask more can say free SHS, no, Emma and Kwala Bibli school into Omutifino, eno na bema asem we bi sense na me pa cho forms no mo chiche ma free SHS for student ana forms no wo mo chiche ma free SHS for student one na catch will say free SHS ama enkwala na omuko school no bebre na ntimi nkoto form so mo nya more than 22,000 na wo mdo mkogu e work no and for all these years omo nye any recruitment so public to speak you know nsa nkwala na omutifie no ebi enkofa that form. Look at this gentleman I did not bet na national television so na all blame free SHS for a crisis like this. How do we think as a people? Enti enya nkrofo no montena fie ehun hia se yedi nkrofo be ko school wo wan ko school anka TV3 obetimi abetena so. It's very pathetic. Look at how he sound. One kasa obetimi ehun na dwen baby a wo ye na wo ye presentation na could do baby a or commend or can say and kokon kitten we should commercialize it. Free education yen kokon kitten ye free SHS and yet ye no mubi nyame adom and yetimi me wura secondary school yan ko secondary school papa bia nyame adom ensu nyame adom baby e di yan wura no menye sure se yan ko school anke betimi ewura ho what ya see ye no mubi adom bi and the metimi wura secondary school mu adom bi no be a creative opportunity for full school you because you want to run down the free SHS and no where there's no need for people to go to school. No one the catcher say so because school or Ghana ha now when your employment or Ghana ha the person can't travel and go and do well. One the catcher say uko school or Ghana yes you are limited to Ghana. Opportunities will come for them. It may not be today, it may be tomorrow. Into more opportunities are and Penyah TV so mekanjere say free SHS is what has brought us there. You have to think deeply. Na mumenya sa kasa out of bitterness and wickedness. Enti sa akwa wo to wabusu mu yo wo fa. O you enkukon ketenkete obekwa akotu ya enkukon ketenkete na komodemo. Na nkwala ntimi nko school. Enkukon ketenkete hu hia che free SHS. What kind of thinking is this? Who are these people that they assemble to come and speak to us? Akwa wo free en kokon ketenkete hu hia cha free SHS. Policy aye hu ne sre ne na basan ba bi egina the minister okay we don't want to commercialize it. In one breath it is going to empower our poultry industry. Idea also you don't want to commercialize it. How would that thing empower your poultry industry? Yeah, the bitterness, propaganda, any these so-called neutrals in some hununkuan on Penyah TV so omoka. Ebe country say, why should a lot of people go to school? Oh, my own school. Why are your children going to school? Where are they going to get employment from? Are you not educating your children? And now will be Nisika and send a back to school. What a shame. And I'm sad, sir. You allowed Roland, you know what is what? No, you know, allow some of these things to pass. We have a big problem if these people are the people that shape the opinions of Ghanaians. We have a big problem. We
don't need sending people to school. Then at the end of the day, they'll finish school and be home unemployed. So I personally think that the excess number of students that we churn out from the senior high schools as a result of the free SHS is a contributory factor to what we witnessed yesterday. Again,
Abusafo, my video na e show sisi and this person or party move. Akwe yo kasa sisi e rade mo maya hoodini tumi nyeza ye beka nkwase asema kire nipa bi ma wo beti ase adwe ho ya wo beti ase adwe ho mo nti ase sometimes na wose ye hye ho so yanka nsem bi ankire nkofo bi who is he a communicator of the NDC yankwase se mo beti na ase oka oto no nko school da so wako school it is a school ya de boni ha de nti no ko school. Oh, sometimes when you get the opportunity, what's some customer, a young saba in summer here, what's some more cancer here. Sometimes what's necessary? And you were GB for you when you're Safwana. Because to Kasa ya okay and Kwasiakasa. And you totally and Kwasiakasa na blay okay. Say because of free SHS, into the year who the year now more organize it use free screening, no, and they did not use their common sense. Say nipa baby they should avoid all these things. Common sense in Yajma or Korea movie. It's a big school, and that is where Jimmy saying no co school. And I was see a money pack a credit school, say, yeah, the wound air work, ye who be, and Quasia Casabeni, and Quasia Casabeni, who says, yea, when your money. Oh, it's not nice. And because of a Akufo Addo free SHS by no, 18 year wound, you must say, like seriously.
I was not Ghana anti assembly. Yesterday was Wednesday. We had a Black Wednesday. Now, as some we see a obia what up we should be any wasem say. Now, was so swati be say yen yanom enkuma enketwa or mo kwakope edwuma ye ewo elwak akwa konhia omo akwanhia wuo na and some more so disheartened say odwene ho a won say that anti ase now so penifom ye no bia kansem bi and I just want to react to their saying. Now the edi kind of me pacho bomodia honorable member for Pusika, just take and listen to her. I'll be right back.
It's nothing that happens that doesn't happen at the right time. This is what the Almighty Allah has ordained for them. Today is their day. No matter how, no matter what, no matter who was there, as what, even if we brought all the presidents of the world to sit there as ministers or whatsoever, once today is ordained for them to die, they will. And this is what has happened. Unless you don't believe in the oneness of God.
Yedi womo akodu sam pempenso bi etisa to be thinking for Ghana and to be thinking for the Ghanaian people. Sometimes omo utterances any omo nsem kan bi ya na eme ya. How on earth would you blame God for what has happened? If I don't care, will be say I religious belief and other stuff. Yes, of course. A Christophobia believe say when Yankupon edema on one edge, but it's something that is very, very avoidable. You can't tell me say we should believe say a Yankupon edge on one edema, and now say now it is destined for them to die. Are we serious as people? I was saying this hard year now, omuko PSO master and pid nibayan. It's not Kayintimi man quadan in at the comfort of their homes. Now, omu nyusu, omu phones, and omu internet, and find yes, hard year now. Then, yes, will be a person who achieve political pointer. At the way, a much avoidable. You cannot tell me, sir, will be negligence of duty. A course will be lifer. Yen fan question yankupon. Nasia to mom, nas against the way you trimwa. I mean, oh my name Vanabeko. The need crash shocking me. I don't know whoever he is, and I don't want to know. Abusia, tia someone, Obama Besiaba, a Gary, as a white shirt, a botai, and the coat, a guso, tia someone worker.
Sending people to school, then at the end of the day, they'll finish school and be home unemployed. So I personally think that the excess number of students that we churn out from the senior high schools as a result of the free SHS is a contributory factor to what we witnessed yesterday.
You see, this hunger for we, do you think that they will be thinking well for us? I'm sorry. If these people, do you think so obedjene onyani wa ne ba ho ana naka o might be because at least 2/3 of the population must be well educated akora kwantimi nya hwekra no obe also atimi kinkan na wotwero na wokinkan so wote ase akanya hwekra wo Ghana ha de akoda bia no e was so awie secondary education. You are here telling us say your blames bia yemfa nkoma free SHS. Hey, I was just saying, Yaya Becca,
according to NDC4, almost say DSC or Ewak Sports Stadium and Dra, Yanomu in Sia Ewu, free education and the courses are
need sending people to school, then at the end of the day, they'll finish school and be home unemployed. So I personally think that the excess number of students that we churn out from the senior high schools as a result of the free SHS is a contributory factor to what we witnessed yesterday. Again, what also happened yesterday clearly shows that policy decisions, economic policy decisions, must be made based on data. Just as you rightly said, government alone cannot create jobs to employ everybody that.
Tenipa Motin and Kano a NDC communicator, a copy mu ewa TV3 and an applaud to just say a year tragedy see and draw nipa insia shira monkwano and the cost of education is and say Akufo Addo and the trimu year mira or dream nipa ho ama Ghana for baby akọ school ama omako school no omunya adwuma nya no nti no nkoko wuye no na say this person kire say enisa Ghana for akọ school na say boko school omunya adwuma anya. The question is military ne say oni senior school certificate kana yemfa it's a bakuna school e be dey na yafa no. In NDC there is no sensible person in that political party.
Chile wadwe mame e wo comment section. Aha Penyah Block Media.